Hello, I'm Yamira Lee Johnson, and this is my video for assignment for the new American speaker. Thank you for joining me. This video is about my journey on coming to America. Some details I will be sharing with you is when it happened, where it happened, the experiences that we went through along the way, and some of the takeaways from those times. And My journey began about 18 years ago. I was living in Puerto Rico. I was born and raised there. However, I had lived in New York when I was a teenager, and then I went back to to Puerto Rico, where I had my children. In 2003, I had gone through some challenges, and I was feeling overwhelmed by the responsibility of being a single parent and sole provider for my children. And I felt like I needed to change, something needed to be different. And I came to the United States as a way of finding opportunity for them to learn another language, another opportunity for them to be exposed to more sports, to be exposed to a more diverse environment. And along the way, we faced a lot of situations that were out of our control and out of our comfort zone. However, we integrated in the community through school. If other parents are listening or watching this video, our children will make us brave. So when we came to the United States, we were in an area where there weren't a lot of people that looked like us. And still we were able to integrate through our children playing sports and through school events and through work. Also, we built relationships in the community through work and through our own children's experiences. There were plenty of moments where there were racial differences that were tense. I tried to be focused on our journey and our growth, and not dwell on those moments or situations. However, we embraced our community, and we were embraced by the communities that we lived in, and built great relationships in there. So that was just a learning curve in regards to diversity and inclusion. And we did that by just integrating ourselves. Learning the language was very important for us, very important for the kids to develop and build relationships. But also, during the transition, it was important to us to keep our roots alive. And I feel like we were able to do that through food and music. By cooking traditional meals at home, we were able to still break bread and integrate and think about and talk about our memories and our families back in the island, even though we were in a complete different environment. I was shocked when we moved to an area in Mississippi where I couldn't find a lot of the traditional ingredients of the Caribbean. So we had to start ordering them online to have those meals that will remind us of our family and our roots. And that worked really well. The changes in regards to the takeaway and the experiences, the changes I feel made us more aware of how to empathize with people and other in the different communities that were going through something similar that we went through. I know the migration process of someone who comes from Puerto Rico by having a citizenship is different than someone that comes from a country where there's no citizenship. I understand that there are a lot more challenges. However, this is the way that we were integrated, and I could see that by stretching our kids, we see them now as adults, how they have chosen careers where they serve people and they work with people in diverse environments, and they're able to lead with that empathizing with people and having that respect for other cultures, and communicating also their own culture and traditions with others. And on my part, the biggest takeaways, well, now I'm a holistic life coach, I'm a wellness chef. I can help people by using my language and other people's language, English and Spanish. And also I could integrate in the community that way. So that's part of my story. There's a lot more detail, but I tried to do it within the time frame that we had allowed. I hope you enjoyed, and I look forward to listening and watching the videos that you all going to post. Thank you for watching.